There are hundreds of countertop water filters you can use to get safer, cleaner drinking water, but which ones are the best? In this video, I'm going to show you 6 systems that provided significant contaminant reduction in our testing and ranked highly overall in our data-driven scoring system. We use and test all the water filters we review, and we've developed a ranking system that leverages real data to determine which filters are best. Our system scores water filters based on, most importantly, their contaminant reduction capability, but we also consider how fast they filter water, their overall design, how easy they are to install and maintain, and the company's customer service policies. This allows us to compare filters even if they weren't tested side by side, giving you a clear picture of which ones perform best overall. Leveraging the system, I'm going to show you the top countertop water filters that work best for different preferences and situations. First up is the Aquatru countertop reverse osmosis system, which earned an impressive overall score of 9.59. This is thanks to its exceptional contaminant reduction capabilities. In our testing, it eliminated 100% of key health-related contaminants, including fluoride, lead, and uranium. It's the only filter on our list certified by IAPMO to NSF ANSI standards for the reduction of all 83 contaminants they claim to target. This translates to a near-perfect 9.91 in the contaminant reduction scoring category. It got a slightly lower score of 7.5 for its slowish filtration rate of 0.08 gallons per minute, which is on the lower end for pressurized systems. The Aquatru features a durable, BPA-free Triton plastic water tank, which earned a high 9.7 in the design category. It comes in various models, including the Aquatru Connect, which comes with a handy app for monitoring water usage, filter life, and water quality. I especially like that they've added the option to upgrade to a remineralization VOC filter, which is ideal because RO systems like this remove beneficial minerals along with dangerous contaminants. And for folks not keen on plastic, there's now also a glass carafe version, which uses the exact same filter technology. I'll drop links to all the models down in the description. And while not a ranking factor in the current version of our scoring system, I want to quickly touch on reverse osmosis recovery rate. Wastewater is an unavoidable side effect of the RO process, and conventional RO systems are known for being super inefficient and wasteful. The Aquatru, by contrast, is the most efficient countertop RO system we've tested, with a 4-to-1 recovery rate, meaning that for every 4 gallons of water purified, it only wastes 1. A significant advantage of the Aquatru is its user-friendly design, which doesn't require installation or complex plumbing modifications. It's a true plug-and-play system that can be assembled and set up in minutes, earning a top score of 10 in the setup category. Maintenance is also straightforward and affordable, with replacement filters only costing 11 cents per gallon of filtered water, one of the cheapest we've tested so far. This translates to a 9.75 in the maintenance category. Aquatru comes with a standard 1-year warranty with an extended 3-year warranty available at additional cost. While free shipping to most locations in the US is a plus, it's worth noting that customers cover the return shipping fees within the 30-day free trial period. Overall, the company category received a score of 8.8. The Waterdrop King Tank Gravity Filter comes in with an impressive overall score of 9.1. This stainless steel unit has minimal plastic components, which might be appealing to some folks. In our tests, it eliminated a wide range of contaminants, including fluoride, lead, chlorine, and chloroform. While it isn't performance certified, it still achieved a score of 9.51 in our contaminant reduction category. For a gravity-fed system, the King Tank delivers impressive speed, filtering up to 4 gallons per hour, earning a perfect 10 in the filtration rate category. It has the same basic design as many stainless steel gravity systems like Berkey and others. They provide a glass spigot for easy water level monitoring, along with a stand for it to sit on without the additional cost, which is really nice. And while the unit boasts thickened stainless steel, it felt slightly thinner than some of the other competitors that we also tested. Additionally, the glass spigot includes a plastic dispenser piece, and the filter housings are plastic, so it's not entirely plastic-free. Overall, the design elements and NSF ANSI 372 IAPMO certification contribute to a score of 9.4 in the design category. Setup for the King Tank is more involved than many countertop filters, scoring a lower 6.5 in this category. The issue here is the filter priming process, which can be frustrating if you lack the specific priming tool or have an incompatible faucet. This also slightly impacts the maintenance score for the same reason. However, the King tank redeems itself with impressively low filter replacement costs of just 6 cents per gallon, bringing the overall maintenance score to a respectable 8.5. It comes with a standard 1-year warranty, free shipping to the continental US, and a 30-day return policy, resulting in an overall company score of 8.65. Costing just $75 up front, the Epic Pure water filter dispenser achieved an overall score of 9.05, making it a great choice for folks with a tighter budget. It provided effective contaminant reduction in our testing, eliminating harmful substances like uranium, chlorine, and copper. And while it lacks third-party certifications, it still achieved a score of 9 in the contaminant reduction category. The Epic Pure boasts impressive filtration speed at a rate of 2.23 gallons per hour, earning a perfect 10 in this category for gravity-fed systems. The unit itself is constructed entirely of BPA and BPS-free plastic, which feels a bit more thin and flimsy compared to others. This, along with a lack of material safety certifications, caused the design category score to come out to 7.5. The Epic Pure dispenser is super easy to set up, requiring only basic cleaning and filter installation before use, earning a score of 9.5. Maintenance is equally straightforward, with affordable filter replacements costing just 31 cents a gallon. These factors contribute to a high score of 9.5 in the maintenance category. Epic stands out with an impressive lifetime warranty and satisfaction guarantee, resulting in a high company score of 8.95. However, free shipping is only available for customers who sign up for their filter replacement subscription program, which might not be ideal for everyone. The RKIN U1 provides a feature-rich countertop RO filtration option, securing an overall score of 8.83. This high-tech unit boasts a unique design and feature set, making it a standout choice for folks who prefer all the bells and whistles. In our performance testing, it effectively reduced a wide range of contaminants, including fluoride, lead, chlorine, and uranium, earning a score of 9 in this category. Similar to some other filters on this list, it lacks third-party performance certification, which negatively impacted this score. The RKIN U1 has a filtration rate of 0.07 gallons per minute, comparable to the Aquatru and also earning a 7.5 in the filtration rate category. It has the ability to dispense hot or cold, purified water on demand, along with a modern touchscreen with presets for various beverage types. It even boasts integrated remineralization and hydrogen infusion stages. However, despite these impressive features, the unit is primarily made of plastic and lacks material safety certifications, resulting in a design category score of 7.5. The RKIN U1 is super easy to set up, arriving mostly assembled and featuring a self-flush function that eliminates the need for any manual priming or filter washing, which resulted in a high score of 10 in the setup category. Despite a higher upfront cost than other filters on this list, ongoing maintenance costs are actually quite budget-friendly, with a cost per gallon of only 8 cents, which contributes to a strong score of 9.75 in the maintenance category. It comes with a standard 1-year warranty and 30-day return policy. However, free shipping is only available on orders over $175 within the continental US, slightly lowering the company score to 8.2. The clearly filtered pitcher is one of the best water filter pitchers we've tested, with an overall score of 8.78. Pitchers like this are ideal for folks who have limited countertop space. In our tests, it effectively removed contaminants including fluoride, uranium, chlorine, and copper, while significantly reducing others like barium and strontium. However, its performance certifications are limited to chlorine, PFOA, and PFOS, and trace amounts of cobalt were detected post-filtration in our testing. These factors contribute to a score of 8.24 in the contaminant reduction category. It has an impressive filtration rate, topping the charts at a speedy 2.27 gallons per hour, earning a top score of 10. It also received high marks for its design with a score of 9.7 due to its BPA-free Triton plastic construction. The setup process is pretty straightforward. However, unlike some competitors, these filters require priming before the first use, which adds an extra step that slightly lowers the setup score to 9.5. Maintaining the clearly filtered pitcher is a breeze, but filter replacements are a bit more expensive at 55 cents a gallon, bringing the maintenance score to 8.75. Clearly Filtered stands out for its exceptional company policies, securing a score of 9 in this category. They impress with a generous 2-year warranty, free shipping everywhere within the US, and a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. The ProOne Big Plus gravity filter is ideal for off-grid use, emergency preparedness, or those with untreated well water, and earned an overall score of 8.56. In our tests, it effectively removed a range of contaminants including fluoride, lead, bacteria, and some metals. However, it scored a little bit lower in contaminant reduction at 8.44. This was due to the presence of disinfection byproducts detected post-filtration and a lack of third-party certifications, despite the manufacturer mentioning NSF in their marketing. It's important to note that the filter elements themselves hold NSF 42 certification for material safety only. The ProOne Big Plus has a slower filtration rate of 0.77 gallons per hour, resulting in a score of 7.5 in this category. On the plus side, it stands out for its design with a score of 10. The unit is constructed with minimal plastic components, and the filter elements are certified for material safety, as I mentioned. And overall, the build quality feels a bit more sturdy compared to similar stainless steel gravity filter systems. Setup is relatively straightforward, taking less than 20 minutes, requiring minimal assembly. The filter elements don't require priming, contributing to an ease of setup score of 8.5. Maintenance is also manageable, scoring 8.75. Filter replacement costs are moderate at 41 cents a gallon, and cleaning is fairly simple, though the large unit size may pose challenges for smaller sinks. ProOne offers a compelling 5-year warranty, free shipping with a $70 order threshold for orders within the continental US, and a 30-day money-back guarantee, resulting in a company score of 8.9. As you can see, there are plenty of different options for different needs and preferences, all of which performed well in our own testing and scored highly in our ranking system. For those looking for a top-tier filter for treated city water, the Aquatru is definitely my top recommendation. It boasts exceptional contaminant reduction capabilities verified by third-party certifications. It also offers efficient filtration, low ongoing filter costs, and multiple models to choose from. That said, I understand some folks may have specific preferences or requirements. If you're looking to avoid reverse osmosis or minimize plastic components, the Waterdrop King Tank is a reliable, gravity-fed option to consider. And if you're on a budget or don't have that much counter space, I'd recommend checking out the Epic Pure Dispenser or Clearly Filtered Pitcher. But if you want an advanced feature-loaded system, then you should definitely look into the RKIN U1. Finally, the ProOne Big Plus gravity filter system is a great option for emergency preparedness. If you want to dive deeper into the data and see how these systems performed in our own lab testing, you can click or tap right here to check those videos detailing our test results.